Hello, colleagues. You are welcome to lesson 8 of our online course creation professional development. Owing to the crash of the MOODLE application on the MOODLE server, we've lost some data. So you realize that the dummy course that I was working on, that also we couldn't retrieve it. Notwithstanding that, I'm sure you all recollect that this topic 0, where we have the news forum, that's where the information page is being created. We've done at least 95% of that, which you might have seen in the previous videos. In this lesson, we're going to start to create a lesson. So let's assume you have fashioned out your semester course into 10 weeks. We have this. I'm sure you can recollect this if you have been practicing. Now we want to add flesh to topic 1. We must turn on the editor, so we click on turn editing on, and as a recap, let's look at the learning pathway that we are recommending. This is a learning pathway. You have the topic title, topic introduction and summary, learning objectives, presentation of the topic, guided practice, assessment. Guided practice and assessment can be filled depending on what type of course you are teaching, and this is not cast in stone. You may adapt any learning pathway that will be suitable for your learners. And in this lesson, we will build lesson 1 or topic 1 up to learning objectives. So let's start with that. So I'm back to the course, and once the turn editing is on, you see the editing buttons. I'm sure this. So let's start. Click edit topic. Now, if you don't want to use the default name topic 1, then you deactivate this checkbox and type it here. You may also want to bring the lesson topic here, but we advise you bring it here, so I can deactivate this and have maybe lesson 1. Next, let me see what I have here. Teaching philosophy. And if you know the time it will take for the entire lesson, you put it in parentheses. So I have teaching philosophy. Then now I'm moving to the introduction and summary. You may combine them or separate them. Then learning objectives. So I go to this and have this being my intro and summary. So I can have dear learner, you are welcome to lesson 1. Then I have this. Let me paste the one I've copied. Okay. So once I copy from Word, I go to the clear formatting. I'll show you, some of you might have recollected this clear formatting. Can move on format. This lesson, so I can make it on this section. This lesson takes a look at the concept of blah blah blah. Then I move on save changes. Then I have learning objectives. I have added it to the summary. Okay, I can do that. So if I want to do that, I go back to edit topic, then I go for learning objectives, copy, paste, so I can highlight or go to clear formatting, then I go for medium heading. Now, so let me say that I can bold this. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to explain this. So I go for bulletin, or let me see, undo, bulletin, undo, bulletin, then I do normal formatting. So these are the objectives. Okay, after that, save changes. So in developing this first lesson, you see how it's taking shape. We are now with the learning objectives, and on this note, let's look at our next video, which will be continuation on lesson 1. Thanks for watching.